If you're thinking about buying Buildium for your property management needs, there are a few things you should know first. It's a popular choice, but like any software, it's not perfect. Let's go through 12 key things you should consider before making your decision. The first thing to note is that Buildium is a comprehensive property management tool, and it's especially strong when it comes to accounting features. It allows for tracking of income and expenses, managing your budgets, and even running detailed reports. That said, if you're mainly looking for something lightweight and simple, Buildium might feel a bit too much. Competitors like AppFolio offer a more streamlined experience, but they can lack some of Buildium's depth. Next thing, Buildium's user interface is generally easy to navigate, but it can sometimes feel a bit dated. It's functional, but not as modern as some newer alternatives in the market, like Rentec Direct or Tenant Cloud. So, if design and user experience are important to you, this could be a downside. The third thing to keep in mind is that Buildium offers solid tenant and lease tracking. You can store lease details, rental rates, and even renewals in one place. However, competitors like AppFolio offer more advanced features in this area, such as automated reminders for renewals, which can help save time. Moving on, Buildium has a built-in online payment system that makes it easy for tenants to pay rent. But compared to other systems, it's not the most intuitive. Some users report issues with late payments and glitches. For example, Rentec Direct offers an easier process for tenants, which may appeal to landlords who prioritize convenience. The fifth thing you should know is that Buildium does offer tenant screening services, including background and credit checks. However, these services come at an additional cost, unlike some competitors that bundle them into their subscription fees. So, if you're hoping to avoid extra charges, this could be a deal breaker. Next thing, the customer support offered by Buildium is decent, but can be slow at times. While they do have a support center with articles and FAQs, their response times can leave users frustrated, especially compared to other platforms that have 24/7 live support, such as AppFolio. The seventh thing to consider is the mobile app. Buildium does offer a mobile app for both landlords and tenants, but it's often criticized for being buggy and lacking some essential features. Competitors like Tenant Cloud are often praised for having more user-friendly and reliable apps. Another thing to think about is Buildium's pricing structure. While it's affordable at first glance, the costs can add up quickly as your portfolio grows, especially when you factor in add-ons like tenant screening and accounting integrations. On the other hand, alternatives like Rentec Direct offer more transparent pricing with fewer extra charges. The ninth thing to mention is the reporting functionality. Buildium is solid in this area, allowing for customized reports to track financials and property details. However, if you want more robust reporting features, especially for larger portfolios, you might want to consider alternatives like AppFolio, which offers more advanced reporting options. Next thing, Buildium is a good option for those who manage multiple properties, but it's less suited for single property owners. For small-time landlords or individuals who manage just one or two properties, software like Tenant Cloud may be a better fit because of its simplicity and lower cost. Another thing you'll want to know is that Buildium is cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere, and you don't have to worry about maintaining software on your own servers. This is something you'll get with many competitors, so it's definitely a standard feature these days. Finally, while Buildium is great for residential properties, if you're managing commercial properties, you might find that its features are limited compared to platforms like AppFolio, which have better functionality for managing different types of real estate. In conclusion, Buildium is a solid option for property managers, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one tool with strong accounting and tenant tracking features. However, if you're looking for something that's easier to use, more affordable, or better for a smaller operation, you may want to check out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial with no strings attached.